Hello friend, in this session we are going to see an example of a technical interview. So in this example we will see how to conduct an interview for hiring an SQL developer position. So let us first understand something about a SQL developer. SQL developer analyze, design and support applications that interface with the database computer language SQL, sometimes pronounced as SQL. SQL developers' job duties include developing SQL databases and writing applications to interface with SQL databases, as well as writing and testing code. Development often consists of designing tables, storing procedures, views, and functions. SQL developers work with project managers, business owners, analyst teams, and clients, building database prototypes to validate systems. Requirements: they also document code, provide progress reports, and perform code review and peer feedback. Now let us see how a job description for a SQL developer. So let us understand a typical job description for a SQL developer position. Dear resource, we are looking out for SQL developer who are technically sound with good communication skills and a close fit to the job description below. Experience should be 1 to 3 years. So usually if the experience is 3 plus years, then the position will be senior SQL developer. Okay. Role is SQL developer. Location Mumbai or any other. Salary, if you want to mention, you can mention, or it is like not disclosed by recruiter. You can mention it, or you can discuss it while salary discussion part. HR round. Primary skill Microsoft SQL Server. Secondary skills SSIS. Roles and responsibilities. Writing complex SQL queries. Should be proficient in writing SQL procedure. Good knowledge of SQL functions, views and triggers. Experience of having scheduled jobs in SQL is a must. Should have written medium to complex procedures involving processing of transactions. Should be good at identifying, analyzing issues and fast in fixing the same. Prepare documentations for database applications. Should be good at learning newer tools and incorporate the best usage of those into our suite. Next bracket will be mentioned soft and behavioral skills. So there it will be mentioned like confident, responsible and high initiative driven, effective written and verbal communication, good customer interaction skills, strong analytical and problem solving skills, fluent English. Good to have performance optimization experience with SQL. You are a fast learner and can think out of the box. You like teamwork and are passionate about your work and code quality. You have between 1 to 3 years of experience with the technologies. Basic knowledge of SSIS. Company offers professional working environment in an international company, active rewards, periodic bonuses based on each individual performance. Lastly, there will be company profile and contact details. Then the candidate will apply and the resume will be screened, and then the HR will schedule the interview of the shortlisted candidate. First round will be a telephonic interview, should be taken by a team member. Some company might take a skill test instead of telephonic. First greet candidate and wait till the candidate gets into a comfortable position for a call. Ask question like shall we start? Once confirm, then start. The first thing you should do introduce yourself, then ask only a high level question related to SQL. For example, tell me about yourself. Ask about his current working project if fresher, then ask about academics. Then move into SQL questions like what is normalization, what are the types of join and explain each, what is subquery, what is a store procedure, what is a constraint, what are the all types of user defined function. So only a theoretical based question. End the interview on a good note by thanking the candidate for his her time and tell about the next step. Spend maximum 30 minutes in a telephonic interview.